My name is Candy Koket. I'm a registered nurse at St. Vincent Health Center with Allegheny Health. I had one woman who told me I spent a lot of time. I had worked an overnight, and I spent a lot of time in her room, and she was just terrified to be alone in her family. And she told me later that she didn't think she could make it through that night, and that because we went in and we just sat and we talked about everyday things, and she was doing fairly well, but she was just frightened. But the idea of being alone and frightened by the pandemic itself, and it's hard to be in a room. And just the time I spent with her made a difference. There's nothing like being able to step in a moment of time and make a big difference. In terms of the pandemic, just the happy stories, the ones where people went home. I think every one of those matter. I think I'll carry those forever. Everybody works as a team. Yeah. And everything that the team does is for the patient's care. If you're all in your garb and you knock on a window, there's somebody there that will get you something. If you have a patient that needs two people in that room, there's two people in that room. If you're an aide and that patient needs something physically done that they can do, they'll do that. Our housekeepers made sure that rooms are clean. Our people from pharmacy, if I didn't have a medication, they came up and made sure that I had that. Everybody works together to make sure that the final outcome is good care. I think that nursing has been a wonderful career for me. I've loved every minute of it. I've learned a whole bunch of different things. I've touched a lot of people's lives and had them turn around and touch mine. I have patients I remember from 30 years ago and patients I remember from last week. It's worth it. Nursing is absolutely worth coming to do. It's worth it.